Okay. So most of the time students have the confusion between when to use jeden, when to use jedem, and when to use eder. So basically the meaning of jeder, jeden, and jedem is each. And this depends upon which cases you use, which gender you use. So you will use this in this way. Let's have a look at the table. Suppose you're using for a masculine gender and you're using it for nominative case, then you will use the word jeder when you want to say each. If it is genitive, then it is jedes, or you can also say jeden. And if it is dative, then you can say jedem. And the last one is, if it's accusative, then you can say jeden. So this is about masculine gender. Suppose if you need to talk about feminine gender, then in nominative you will say jeder, genitive jeder, dative also jeder, and accusative is jeder. Now in the same way, if it's a neutral gender, you can say neutral or you can also say neutrum. So that will be nominative is jedes, genitive jedes or jeden, dative is jedem, and the last one, accusative, is jedes. So let's have a look at the example to understand this in much better way. Suppose you want to say each person is happy. So you can say it in jeder ist glücklich. So each person is in the nominative case, it is the subject. So we will write jeder. Jeder ist glücklich. You can also say jeder ist glücklich, but the most common one is jeder ist glücklich. Glücklich means happy. Now the next example is, this baby spielt mit jedem. Since we are using mit preposition here, that is with, the baby is playing with each person. Since we are using mit preposition, the next pronoun or the noun will be in dative form. So here the article will also change into dative form. Hence we have it here as jedem, that is dative. Das Baby spielt mit jedem. Then the last sentences. Sie haben jeden Abend im Restaurant zu Abend gegessen. So we are trying to say that they have the dinner each evening in the restaurant. So here, jeden Abend is the accusative form. Jeden Abend is the accusative form and Abend is masculine. So we will have the article here as jeden. Jeden Abend is accusative. Sie haben jeden Abend im Restaurant zu Abend gegessen. So they had each evening dinner in the restaurant. So this is the way you can use jeden, jeder, or jeder by checking the gender and also by checking the cases.
So thank you for watching. See you in the next video with a new topic. Bye.